going to show you two different ways to modify the plank. Now, the way I like to do the plank is it is a full body exercise, so I don't like to see any sagging. I want to see the whole body really lit up. So we're going to start on the wall, which is the easiest way to show you, and also to really get your form dialed in. And then we'll take it to a lower surface, and eventually we'll take it to the floor. So first, I'm going to show you on the wall. So your positioning here is everything should be super, super tight. You want to get up on the balls of your feet and just find that positioning more comfortable and easy to do. And your arms, rather than being here, are going to be here. So you're going to like turn your fists out so you're good parallel, so not in the diamond shape. And from there, you're going to get up and you're going to push. You're going to, so you see I'm sagging into the wall here. This would be like me just totally relaxed. I'm just completely sagging into the wall. So I'm going to move all that way, but I'm going to push with my form. I'm going to push that wall away. I'm creating space here as well. I'm not up here. Good space between my ear and shoulder. Pushing that wall away. Now I'm going to tuck slightly, tucking my hips under, and I'm engaging my core strongly, and I'm holding that. Everything is tight. My legs, everything. So imagine you're like super tense, like your life depended on you being as tense as you could possibly be in every fiber of your body. And that's how you're going to hold this plank. So you're pushing away, charging up, and you're growing tall out of your head, pushing away from the wall, really tucking those hips under, tightening everything up. It's hard work just being in front of the wall. So that's the wall plank. To increase the difficulty of the plank from the wall, you can move it down to a lower surface. So I'm using an armchair. Again, you want to push it up against a wall. It's just sort of floating around in space, so it's more stable. But you could use a countertop as well. That would be another good transitional surface. So same thing applies here. You want to get in a good rigid position. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm really relaxed, and then what it looks like when I've turned everything on, all my muscles on. So if I'm just hanging out here, kind of just sagging and everything, my hips are sagging, I'm dumping into my shoulders. So what I want to do, again, keeping my arms this way, this way, this way. So if I'm sagging here now, suddenly I'm going to get very tense, my whole body. I'm tucking my hips under, my quads, my legs, everything is firing. Pushing my chin is tucked, okay, not jutting out. Tucked, and I'm pressing away. My forearms are pressing into the arm of the chair. So this is me not pressing away. This is me pressing away. Everything is super tight. Chin tucked.